Hi, my name is Alex, and I'm 10 years old. I'm going to tell you about something crazy that happened on April 28th, 2025. At 12:30 p.m. is the day the lights went out in Spain and Portugal. It was a regular Monday. I was at home in Barcelona, doing my homework. Okay, maybe I was playing a little bit too. Suddenly, poof! The lights flickered, then everything went dark. No lights, no TV, no internet. Even the traffic lights outside stopped working. It was so weird. We found out later that the electricity went out across all of Spain and Portugal. It lasted for about 5 hours. It wasn't just our house, it was the whole city, and even places far away. At first, I felt a little nervous. I mean, how could I text my friends without Wi-Fi? But then my mom said, let's stay calm. We have our emergency kit. We grabbed flashlights, some snacks, and blankets. We played board games by flashlight. It was actually kind of fun. Later, we learned that the blackout happened because of a big problem with the electricity. It wasn't a storm. It wasn't anyone's fault. It was just a reminder that sometimes things happen that we have to be ready for. Now, we always keep our emergency kit ready, just in case the lights go out again. And guess what? I think I actually like board games more than video games now, but don't tell my friends. That was the day the lights went out in Spain and Portugal. It was a little scary at first, but it taught us how to stay calm, help each other, and have a little adventure even when the lights go out.